This is the brief on vector field operations. Okay, so the sources we're looking at are all about the calculations you need for complex vector fields. But here's the thing, they really drive home the idea that static textbook solutions, they're just not going to cut it. You really need modern, dynamic tools to truly understand what's happening. First, you've got to nail down 3 core computations. These are basically the fundamental building blocks for understanding how vectors combine and interact in 3D. There's the dot product that tells you how much the vectors align and gives you a single number. Then you have the cross product, which creates a whole new vector perpendicular to the first 2. And finally, there's the scalar triple product. This one's a bit more advanced. It involves the position vector, and it actually measures the volume of the shape all 3 vectors make. But just solving these on paper isn't enough. And that brings us to the second key idea. Using interactive tools is absolutely crucial for building intuition. Why are they so important? Because they turn abstract math into this dynamic, hands-on experience. You can literally change the inputs and instantly see how it affects all 3 products. That real-time feedback loop, it helps you grasp the theory way faster than any static solution ever could. So really, true mastery here isn't just about the rigorous math. It's about blending that computation with dynamic, real-time visualization.